Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap general, and then tap software update. And wait some moment until finish checking. Perfect. You'll see here upgrade to iOS 18. Tap on it and tap update now. You can also update tonight, but this is something very important guys. Before make update, make sure to have at least in your battery 13%, okay? So after that, tap update now and your iPhone will be updated to iOS 18. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.